I heard you want to play some guitar. When you start, you can't start off with all your fingers and all the strings. A lot of people find it easier to start with simplified chords. So that's what we're going to show you today in this lesson. Here we go. Okay, before we begin to play the guitar, let's just talk about the parts of it really quickly here. You can kind of think of it kind of like the body of a person. You have your body, and this right here is the neck. This part of the guitar is the neck, and up here is the head. The main thing we need to know to begin are the parts of the neck. All right, here. Each of these is called a fret. This is the first fret, this space, and then there's a piece of metal across here. Second fret, third fret. Notice the third fret has a dot. We're going to focus on fret 1, 2, and 3 to get you started. All right, so these are the frets, and the strings go down. All right, the first chord we're going to learn today is going to be a C chord. It's in the first fret is where your finger's going to go, fret number 1. The second chord we're going to learn is the 1, 2, 3, in the third fret on the skinniest string. So when you hear the word fret, that's what fret means. Let's show you first the first finger here, your index finger. We want that finger to be nice and curved. So when you're playing guitar, you've got to have a nice curve of your fingers. So when you touch and push on the strings, you're not touching any of the other strings near it. So take a look. The back here, my thumb goes on the back of the neck. So it's right on the back. And I reach around, and my first finger is here. You don't want to have your hand smashed up onto the neck like that. Keep it open, because eventually you're going to be using all of your fingers. So thumb on the back of the neck, curved finger, number 1, and you want to use the tip, the very end of your finger when you're pushing down. So here we go. This was the first finger on the first fret, and it's not this skinny little string, it's the second one in. It's called the B string. Let's try that. See if you can push down on that, and don't touch that skinny little E string. Thumb is in the back, first finger nice and curved, and then we're going to strum. That's C, 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 C. The real C chord has 3 fingers, but we're just starting with simplified simple chords. Simple C, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you can, instead of your fingers sticking really out, try to keep your fingers curved also, all right? That's our C chord. Now the next chord is the G chord. 1, 2, 3. We're going to use the ring finger, finger number 3, and it's not the first fret, not the second fret, but the third fret right here. Third fret, and on the skinniest string. Here we go. I'm going to push this finger right here. Here we go. That's G, 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 G. All right, so the 2 chords that you're going to begin with are a C and a G. Here we go. First finger, first fret, nice and curved. Here we go. Put it on that C, and let's strum C, 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 C. And when you strum, just strum down across the bottom 4 strings. We're not going to use all the strings yet, but we're just strumming our thumb down across the strings. You could use your fingers too, like that, fingernail, but let's just use our thumb for now. Here we go. First finger, first fret, nice and curved. Here we go. And let's play C. C, 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 C. Then we switch to third finger, third fret, G, 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 G. And we're going to switch back and forth many times. C, 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 G, 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 C, 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 G, G, G. It's everybody loves a Saturday night. That's the song we're eventually going to play. So first, C, 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 G, 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 G. Practice that now and see if you can play 4 C's and switch to the G, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, and play Love's a Saturday. Give it a try now. Now that you know how to play it a little bit, let's see visually. Some people are visual learners and it helps to see it. Look at these little diagrams to my right. You'll notice in those diagrams, lines, some of the lines go down. See the lines that go down? There are 6 of them. So what this is, it's a representation of the neck of the guitar. And this is called the fingerboard. And so there are lines that go down, those are the strings. And then these things that go across, those are the frets. So you can see the C chord, for the C chord, in order to play that, we have to put the first finger right here on that C chord. So it's the first finger on the first fret. Right there is where it goes. So you see how the diagram looks the same? And if you wonder, why are there little circles above it? That means you strum those strings, but you don't put any finger on them. That's what that is. So there's the C chord, first finger, first fret. And if you notice, the G chord is the 3rd finger, the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. Right down here is the 3rd finger, 3rd fret, and it's on the skinniest little E string. And they want you to strum 4 of the strings. That's why there's dots. So the C is up here and the G is down there. That's what the chord diagrams look like. So now, let's put everything you've learned in this lesson today and try to play it. The most difficult part is going to be changing chords from the C to the G. That's going to be the hardest part. So sometimes I tell people, just practice going C, G, no strum, C, G. So first finger, 3rd finger, first finger, 3rd finger. Just keep the thumb in the back, nice curved fingers, and just practice C, G, C, G, and then we put a strum to it. C, 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 switch, G, 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 then go back, C. So keep doing that this week for your first lesson. You got it. C, 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 G, 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 G. Good luck. See you next time.